guys, in today's session, we'll know about how to get started with digital marketing. Digital marketing is one of the most common jobs in the world today. Digital marketing is one of the medium which brands use to connect with their potential audience through internet and other digital platforms. But how to get started? In today's video, we'll discuss about the prerequisites which is required to get you started with digital marketing like a pro. Number 1. Laptop. Laptop is one of the most important prerequisite required to learn digital marketing. Your laptop might have any specification ranging from i3, i5 or i7. Even if you have an i3 system, you can easily get started by learning digital marketing through various online channels which is available. Number 2. A phone. Phone is highly important to check how your digital marketing campaigns is performing across various devices, how your social media account looks, and you can also connect with other influencers and other students who are learning digital marketing through your mobile phone. Number 3. Email ID. Email ID is very important to create social media and other accounts which is required for digital marketing activity and other promotional activities. Number 4. A mobile number. Mobile number is very important to create various accounts in digital marketing channels. Point number 5. Notebook and pen. You should always have a notebook and pen readily available with you to take down any notes which are important and which you would like to refer in the future. Point number 6. A website. Website is very important for digital marketing to see how your digital marketing campaigns are performing and your users to land on a particular location where they can have more knowledge about your brand. You can easily build any website these days with readily available templates such as on Wix. Point number 9. Time. Time is very important to learn digital marketing because you are learning this for your career, your business, and you should have enough amount of time to invest in learning from basic to advanced level of digital marketing to help your brand reach across the audience. Point number 10. You should have good friends which you can discuss digital marketing concepts which you are learning and help each other learn more and grow together in this particular field. Point number 11, and the most important point. You should always sit in calm place and be relaxed before learning any new concepts. This will not only help you retain the concepts but also help you understand in more depth regarding any topic which you are trying to learn. So these were some of the prerequisites which is required by you to learn digital marketing. For more such videos on digital marketing, like and subscribe our channel and keep learning more tips and tricks to ace your digital marketing career.